Hey, welcome back. Okay, in this lesson, we are going to talk about Facebook events. So you can do Facebook marketing, and I know many people have done Facebook marketing where you hire someone to get you a lot of leads. And you've heard me talk before, it gets you a lot of leads. Many times it doesn't get you a lot of great patients. A way that I have found to get a lot of great patients is to create an event and then advertise that event in Facebook. So in the document below, you'll see a screenshot of the events page in Facebook. You have to put your event there, whether it be your in-office workshop or seminar, or advertising mine through your own Eventbrite page. And when you put it on Facebook, you can just put it there and share it with your friends for free. But if you want to boost it to your community, there's also a screenshot below of how to boost that event. When you boost it, it's very affordable. You can do it for $20 for a week and have that ad, that event, be seen by thousands of people. Very affordable way to get your name known in the community. So follow the steps below. And like I've told you before, they're just the basic steps. I don't take you through every single step of the registration process within Facebook. So if you really can't figure it out, it's not that hard, but if you can't figure it out, then get someone who knows how to work within Facebook to do it for you or with you. Okay, get that event posted on Facebook and let your community know that you're the neurofeedback expert in town and that you can help change their brains and improve their lives. Let's do it.